5 essential tips for mastering.
5 essential tips for mastering.
Hey buddy, how's it going? I'm ENDEGO, go ENDEGO. In this video, I'll share 5 essential tips for mastering, which will help you improve your mixes.
Go ENDEGO. Balance.
Mastering of any mix can be very simple. If the right balance of loudness and frequency is fun for mixing. Each instrument in the mix must occupy its right place. The golden rules to bring a mix down to 6 decibels. Further, the classical version's mastering chain consists of the compressor, equalizer and a limiter. Let's consider each element of the chain individually.
Compression.
Compressors determine microdynamics of the sound. Compression helps to make the sound fuller, what the mix become denser and more uniform.
Equalization.
The final equalization can single out some frequencies your mix for lighting up all your instruments. The main rule of the mix equalization during mastering is the less the better. Normally it implies many small strokes down the frequency band. If you need to raise some frequency by more than 3 decibels, it means more likely than not that there are problems in the mix.
Limiting.
Limiting is an important part of terminal work on the mix for equalizing the total loudness, the certain level, and appropriating the clipping and another jarring distortions. Remember that it is not wise to achieve loudness to the detriment of the sound quality.
Final check and loudness.
I wish to draw attention to the fact that mixing and mastering must be done in a special room, using high-class equipment. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to tell the difference between final and distorted sounding of your mix. After you finish the mixing and mastering of your mix in a professional studio, check its sound on home audio system. You can visit your friend to check out your mix or do it in your car. Or can simplify your life by using dedicated speakers, so-called shitty monitors. Yeah, shitty monitors. I hope my advice helped you. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button. See you soon, guys.